Right, so now I've just opened the 360 app and you can see I'm prompted for a new firmware update there. But just before I hit download, let's have a look at the release notes. So when we update to this latest firmware, we've got quite a few things on the firmware update there, so I'll just go over them for you. And as you can see there, we've got quite a few new changes on this firmware update, so let's just have a look what we've got now. So first of all, INSTAFRAME mode has been upgraded to INSTAFRAME 2.0. So this is going to add subject tracking of anyone in frame, a redesigned interface, and an in-camera virtual joystick for real-time framing. And it now supports flat video up to 4K 30 with adaptive tone. So do stick around, because after this update I'm going to be testing that out and showing you all about that new feature there. And then the second update there, the INSTAFRAME 2.0 features a new virtual gimbal for steady, natural movement in every shot. You can choose from pitch lock, follow, or the FPV modes. And the third one on the list there, the single lens photo mode now supports a cinematic 2.35 1 aspect ratio, and you compare that with a new X5 photography grip for a more comfortable hold when taking widescreen photos. And then the fourth one, they've added 8 filters for movie-like visuals, available in single lens photo, video, pure video, and loop recording modes. And then the fifth and final one there, the single lens photo mode now includes 3 border watermarks for a premium finish. We've got signature, frame, minimal frame, and analog film. And if you're having any trouble downloading this new firmware, always make sure the apps are to the latest update, and then it's going to find the update for you. Right, so now we've been over the release notes. Let's hit the yellow tab there to start the download. Right, so now the X5 is fully updated to the latest firmware. Let's just check out that INSTAFRAME. So now we're on INSTAFRAME 2.0, as you can see. And now we should get a joystick within the menu. So we've obviously got the same features there, but now we've got where I can see a joystick icon just there. And when you tap that, you'll see this new interface appear. And as you can see, we've got a virtual joystick there. So wherever I move that, the camera's going to be pointing. So just like before the update, you just basically put your finger on there and scroll around. But now I've got this virtual joystick, which seems to be more responsive. And now I'm going to go outside and test these new modes out. So if we just hit this icon, we'll be able to see now we've got pitch lock, follow, and FPV mode. So like I say, I'm going to go outside. I'll film me with the X5 so you can see how these modes work. Here we go. And now I've got pitch lock activated. There's a plane flying above. So now with pitch lock, to be like a rise and balance in this. As you can see through this camera what I'm doing. But when I switch over to X5 right now, you'll see that that screen should be horizontal. So like I said, that's like a rise and balance in there. And then I'll also be able to pitch it the other way. And now I've switched over to that follow mode. And once again, it's got that white box around my face. And wherever I spin this, no matter how aggressive I am with the camera, that's going to be following me the entire time. So again, that's a great feature to test out in depth later on. It's pretty similar to subject tracking on the Action 6. And now we've switched over to the last one there, which is the FPV mode. Well, this is that one. Again, it's locking onto me. That's going to be like it's a drone. So that's interesting. No matter how aggressive I am with that X5, actually that white box has got me all the time. So this is just a light video today showing you that upgrade on those 3 modes, but I'm going to do an in-depth video of this because I'm really interested with that subject tracking there. Because if you follow my channel, I love doing subject tracking with the DJI cameras, and now Insta360's got it on the X5. So I'm going to be really testing this out. So now I've just viewed the virtual joystick there in the new modes. Let's see what resolutions we can shoot in. So we're pretty limited there. We can only shoot in 4K and 1080p there. So in this testing today, I'll be in 4K 30 with the aspect ratio of 16.9. And then just at the bottom there, you'll be able to have your field of view. So in mega view 160 degrees there, and you can just punch in there to as narrow as 80 degrees and you can basically toggle from 160 to 80 degrees there, as you can see. And then just on the left here, you can have the camera facing towards me or facing away if you just tap that icon. And then just below that, just like on the old firmware, we'll be able to rotate the camera 360 degrees. And then just underneath that, we'll be able to barrel roll the screen 360 degrees when you hit that icon there. So this was just a quick video today. We've gone over the release notes, we've updated the X5, and this is a great new interface, as you can see right now. That's very responsive with that virtual joystick. I've gone into those new menus there, that pitch lock, the follow and the FPV, and I've shown you really lightly how to use that. But do stick around because I'm really going to be testing this new INSTAFRAME 2.0 in depth in a later video. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.